Guess what I'm doing? I'm eating a smoked Wagyu burger. And it is a tasty burger. Want to see how to do it? Let's go. Hey good people, welcome back to BKC Cooks. I'm Brandon Carpenter and today we are making smoked Wagyu burgers. So if you don't know what Wagyu is, it's a type of steer beef. It's originally from Japan, and they bred these cattle that have tremendous amount of intramuscular fat. Big word, intramuscular. What's that mean? That means there's a lot of fat and very delicious fat running through the muscles that typically would be used in the cuts of beef that you would eat. And so they've started breeding similar cattle here in the States, and that's the type of beef we're using today. Most places, if you see Wagyu, if you go to a restaurant and you see Wagyu on the menu, 99.9% of the time, it's not the real deal from Japan. There are very few places here in the States that are certified to sell or even can get their hands on genuine Japanese Wagyu. So if you see Wagyu, chances are it's American, but lucky for us, it's still really, really, really good. So I'm using a pound of ground Wagyu beef from the old HEB, best grocery store in the world. And we're gonna keep it really simple, man. I'm just using salt and pepper. This meat is so special, I don't wanna add a whole bunch of stuff to it. I don't wanna ruin anything. I just want smoke, salt, and pepper, and of course, whatever condiments you decide to add to your burger. So we're gonna get these measured up into 1/4 ounce patties, and we're gonna put them on the smoker, and we'll pull them off at 130, let them rest, and then we'll sear them. It's gonna be pretty simple, and it'll be even simpler because I'm putting them on my char-griller Gravity 980. Shout out to char-griller. This grill makes everything super simple, super easy. So this won't require a lot of effort. It won't be a super long cook. Again, they're just 1/4 ounce patties. If you wanted to do 1/2 pound patties and make them nice and thick, or even 1/3 pound, I think those would work out great too. But there's 4 of us here, so we're gonna do 1/4 pound patties. That's my game plan for today. So let's get the fire lit, get our grill up to temp, and we'll get these things smoking. Let's go. So again, y'all, we're gonna keep this super simple. I got 1 pound of Wagyu beef from the old HEB. We'll get this opened up. I'm gonna put it in this bowl here. And that's a shot of that beautiful ground beef here. And this is at a premium, not cheap stuff, so we make sure we get every bit of it. Plus, just respect to the animal that we harvested this from, and make sure we use every bit of it. Next, we're just gonna go in with salt and pepper. So I'm gonna do about 2 nice pinches of salt. And a good amount of fresh cracked black pepper. Do it to taste. Do it the way you like it. I think that's gonna be good. And I'm gonna break this up and mix it up. If you want to add other stuff to this, I mean, feel free. Some people might like garlic or some other type of seasoning, onion powder or something like that. And that's cool, but again, I'm doing Wagyu. I want to taste the meat. I just wanted to shine through, because again, it is a special kind of meat. So now I'm gonna measure these out. Got my food scale here. And I will zero it out. See how close I am to a 1/4 pound here. Hey, 4.2 ounces, not bad. It was pretty on the money. But I want to be exact. 4.1. There we go, 4 ounces. So you'll be able to make 4 of these at 4 ounces a piece. That'll get you your 1/4 pound patty. So we're gonna get these, the rest of these measured out, formed into patties, and we'll get them on the smoker. Fire and hold. All right, our grill's up to 250. It didn't take long. That's the beauty of this thing. This thing gets up to temp super fast, holds it well, can't be beat. So I got these beautiful burgers. I'm gonna get these on. I'm gonna smoke them for about a half an hour. I don't want them over smoked. I just want some nice smoky flavor. All right, about 30 minutes, I think is gonna be enough smoke. After that, we're gonna ramp up the temperature. We'll sear these off, get our cheese melted. We'll be eating burgers. Let's go. Wagyu. Wagyu. All right, while my burgers are smoking, I'm sauteing some beautiful baby bella mushrooms. I'm gonna do a mushroom Swiss burger with the burger I'm gonna have for dinner. So saute these in a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna finish them off with some butter, salt and pepper, really simple. I'm actually gonna kill my heat right now. And I'm gonna have that on top of my burger along with some really good Swiss cheese. So I think it's gonna come out good, and we will see shortly. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna take a look and see how these burgers are looking. Oh yeah, didn't shrink too much. Really nice. All right, I'm gonna get these up on the warming rack. I'm gonna ramp this temperature up so we can get these seared. Just a few seconds on each side, and we'll cheese them, throw them back up there on the warming rack to melt the cheese, and then we'll be done. All right, we'll let it get up to temp and get these seared off. All right, we're smoking hot. We're gonna sear these off real quick, melt the cheese, and get to eating. Come on, you. All right, we'll get them seared off, cheesed up, and get the burgers made. They're done. Let's pull them. All right, y'all, so those beautiful Wagyu burgers are off the grill. Again, I did mine mushroom Swiss. And I got some nice potato buns. My son toasted these beautifully because he is that's my sous chef. That's my young apprentice. He is a master in training, believe it. But let's see what this does, man. Again, mushroom and Swiss. That beautiful Wagyu burger. I almost dropped it. I was about to be really upset. Let's see what it does. Man, that's good. You're gonna like this, son. My wife always gets on my case because I'm eating and talking. There's really no other choice. Good grief, that's good. Look at that. Got a nice smoke ring on there. That Wagyu beef, man, good grief. Wagyu. It's worth every dime. Well, again, y'all, this was pretty simple. Not a whole lot to it. High quality ingredients, a little bit of time, a little bit of smoke, and you're gonna have a very tasty burger. And that is a tasty burger. So I wanna thank y'all again for watching. Do me a favor, as always, smash that bell, smash that subscribe button. That way you're notified when I release some new content. Appreciate all the comments, appreciate all the views. And as always, I wish good eating to y'all. Y'all take care.